Okay, we covered diet culture and the diet culture methods to lose weight. Now, let's get into what sustainable, healthy weight loss looks like. The idea behind this episode is to give you a peek into a different world, a whole other way of thinking about weight loss that doesn't rely on body shaming. And that's important because you can both love yourself and think you need to lose weight. These are not mutually exclusive ideas. You don't have to hate your body. You don't have to, in fact, I'd really rather you didn't, honestly. You only have one. I'm not really sure how useful that is. And you can evaluate yourself and say, this is something I would like to handle without the recriminations of how you got there, without thinking that you're some unique failure for having that happen. What we can observe is that people have gained weight across a population. That should tell you this is not a personal issue. That should tell you this is a systemic issue. It doesn't mean that there's nothing you can do to help yourself. We're going to get into it, right? But what it means is that you really ought to let yourself off the hook and stop hating what has happened. I don't know you, but I know that you're okay. I know you're all right. What you need to do is think about this differently.